Okay everybody, so welcome to my 1987 Honda Super Magna VF700C. This is going to be a restoration project from beginning to end, and this is how it sits right now. It's missing the seat. I have that. It's just at the neighbor's house. It's missing license plate light. This light's hanging off. The tank needs redone. I have a guy for that. I'm pretty sure the clutch cylinder, master cylinder, doesn't work. I'm not sure what else is broken on here, but we're gonna take it all apart, fix it, clean it, put it all back together. It's gonna be a full restoration. I hope you guys are excited because I'm really excited for this project. I'm taking my ASE certification currently, so this upcoming semester is engine repair and manual transmissions, both of which I can get done with this bike. It is a manual transmission and it is an engine. So during class, I can actually use this engine and this transmission for my assignments. So we have it in the garage now, shed. Essentially, I want to start taking this thing apart piece by piece and fixing it and getting it ready to be restored. So I guess the first things first is in the next video I'm going to be tearing this thing down piece by piece. After that it's going to be rebuilding the electrical system, rebuilding the carburetors, rebuilding or at least checking out the engine to see if it's good, so on and so forth, and exhaust and whatnot. All that's going to be separate videos. The cooling system is one of them. I noticed that this radiator is actually a little bit bent. I'm not sure if that's just my eyes, but I'm pretty sure it got laid down on this side and got bent in right here. This is what we're doing. This is going to be some videos on the channel. I hope you guys like. I'm going to make a playlist specifically for them, and it's going to be a fun project. I hope you guys stick around. I hope you enjoy the first episode of the 1987 Honda Super Magna restoration. I'll see you guys in the next one.